the 3 AI tools every beginner should use in the current year. If you want to start earning online in the current year, the smartest shortcut is simple. Use AI tools that saves you time, boost your output, and remove confusion. So today, I show you the 3 easiest and most powerful AI tools every beginner should use, even if you don't have experience, skills, or confidence yet. Let's begin. Tool number one, ChatGPT. That is your thinking and writing engine. This tool will assist you to create content ideas, scripts, email templates, captions, product explanation, research, video outline, problem solving. ChatGPT saves beginners hours of thinking every day. Your problem stops being, I don't know what to create. Your only job becomes copy, paste, adjust, and publish. To number two, CapCut or Descript. That is your editing engine. These AI tool editors remove the big fear. That fear is, I don't know how to edit. The tools assist you to cut mistakes, auto subtitle, clean audio, remove silence, convert to shorts, and add templates. This gives your content instant quality, even with zero editing skill. Tool number three, Canva AI. That is your visual engine. This is where beginners shine. You can use Canva AI for thumbnails, reels templates, presentations, lead magnets, banners, titles, and logos. The high quality thumbnail can double your view, while one lead magnet can double your email list. These three tools are the starter pack for every beginner in the current year. If you want a simple system that shows you what to do daily with those tools, download my free AI starter kit. The link is in bio. See you in another video. Thank you.